So change of plans, we're going up Ottawa all the way to Hemet. The sun's going down, so we're kind of against the time right now, but we can do it. We're still on the road to go to Ottawa, but we're almost there. Maybe like 15 minutes away. If you guys have never been over here and you guys live in Southern California, come check it out. I can't stress that enough. Such a nice ride. There's good food up there too. This is where they fixed one of the roads that washed out. I'm so happy I was able to find a motorcycle for freaking $100. Like, that's insane. I can't wait to get my Jeep right also, that way we can do more off-roading, more camping stuff. I'm supposed to be getting some tires for my Jeep from Lucid Motorsports. He's hooking it up. He has a Dakota built that has some off-road tires, and he's not going for that look. He's going for that lowered type of look. So he's gonna sell me those tires. I already have my name on them. I bought some rims already to fit those tires, some 17s. So you guys will be seeing that shortly. Hopefully I can pick them up soon. So the last weekend that I came up here, I pulled over around here and met some guys with Triumphs. They're really cool guys. I hope to see them again once they come out here. Yeah, they had some really clean bikes, so that's actually what inspired me to build this, the Triumphs. I'll show a picture of the one that inspired me. I think it's a Scrambler or something like that. I don't know, but man, when I went on vacation and when I saw that bike, I instantly fell in love. Like, that was it. That's what I wanted. And I can't afford it, so I had to build my own. Ah, son. Oh. I took that turn really bad. That was scary. This is where we stopped. Oh, we recorded it too. That turn was sketchy. I don't know what happened. Kind of locked up. The trees are freaking huge too. I wonder how old they are. Probably hundreds of years old. I don't know how Noah's up here without a freaking sweater, but maybe it's because he lives up here. He's used to it. I'm freezing up a little bit. Ladies and gentlemen, we've arrived to Ottawa. I think this is the first time I've came all the way up to Ottawa. I've been up the mountain, but not all the way up here. I actually came up Ottawa through the Hemet side yesterday, but it was on in an S2K with Lucid Motorsports. But yeah, this is Ottawa right here. This is a town. There's a bunch of restaurants and bars and stuff. Little shops too. Right, well, if you guys like today's video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share it with your friends. Why not? Just do it. At least with one of them. Maybe two. I don't know, but thank y'all for watching. I'll see you on the next video.